Welcome back, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about claims in the automotive world. Can the Tesla Cybertruck, while towing a Porsche 911, really beat a 911 through the quarter mile? Elon Musk set the internet on fire with his bold statement. And today, we finally have the answer. We're putting the Cybertruck to the ultimate test with the help of Motor Trend and Engineering, explains Jason Fenske. Jason Fenske. Mathematically, the numbers didn't quite add up. But now, we're here to see if reality matches the math. Motor Trend has set up the most accurate recreation possible, using a Cybertruck Cyberbeast, the lightest car hauler, and a Porsche 911 Carrera T. Will the Cybertruck live up to the hype? In the quarter mile, the Porsche consistently outperformed the Cybertruck towing another 911. The Porsche won every race, even beating the Cybertruck in the 8th mile more often than not. While the Cybertruck's performance is undeniably impressive, Elon Musk's claim turned out to be overblown. However, this test is a testament to the Cybertruck's remarkable capabilities. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey. Remember, not all claims hold up under scrutiny, but it's always fun to test them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content.